Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one way that you could activate Windows, and it's a little known way today, but it used to be popular. I remember using this quite often, actually, in my tech duties with Windows XP, Windows 7 back in the day. And it's online, it's actually activation of Windows, but via the phone. You call a number and you follow the instructions and give a set of numbers. And once you have the installation ID numbers sent, it activates your Windows. It gives you a set of numbers to enter that will actually activate your Windows operating system. And this was still available in Windows 10 and 11 as late as December of 2025. Now, a report says that many that tried to do this to activate their Windows and their installation via the phone, what they get is, of course, the computer itself goes through that process. You still have the possibility to do it. But when you call the number on screen, it says Windows activation is now moved fully online to make it a faster activation, meaning you can't do it by phone anymore. You got to do it online. And of course, one of the reasons why it goes online and wants absolutely you to create a user account, a Microsoft account. So it seems that Microsoft is really working hard in making activation harder and harder in any other way than just going online and, of course, creating doing the activation of Windows by having a Microsoft account and so on. They're working hard. They're really working hard. And so I was not aware that actually phone activation was still a thing that was possible. But apparently now that loophole is gone, as the phone numbers actually say that. And if you have Windows 7, by the way, and you were doing some activation that way, even with Windows 7, that apparently doesn't work anymore. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.